Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to another video in our hedge fund series. So today we are going to discuss about event-driven strategy. We have already discussed about different hedge fund strategies, and we covered global macro strategy, contract trading strategy, and quant strategies. And so this is another strategy which is used by hedge funds, which is event-driven strategy, and yeah, we're going to discuss about Daniel S. Loeb of Third Point Management, the hedge fund Third Point Management, and about the education details of Daniel S. Loeb and how his fund has performed and how he used the event-driven strategies at the Third Point Hedge Fund. So that's the topic for today: event-driven strategy of used by hedge funds. Okay, and Daniel Loeb is a famous person who uses this particular strategy, and he's a famous hedge fund manager who uses this strategy, and he's well known for using this particular strategy. So Daniel Loeb is a prominent American investor and a hedge fund manager, and he's the CEO of Third Point LLC, which is based in New York and was established in 1995. And he is known for event driven investment strategies and value oriented investment strategies. Education background, he is a Columbia University alumni, and he did Bachelor of Arts in Economics in Columbia University. Before Columbia University, he did study at UC Berkeley. He was basically from California, and he transferred to Columbia University because of his interest in financial markets and to stay close to New York. Okay, and he formed the Third Point LLC, which is in 1995 headquartered in New York City, and its assets under management are 11.7 billion as of December 2024, and it employs this strategy of event-driven strategy. This focuses on identifying catalysts in mergers and acquisitions. So it uses mergers and acquisitions to do the trading or to do investments, and it also uses events like restructurings of the companies, and it could be like debt restructuring or and other any special situations to unlock value. So this is what event driven strategy is, and it is used by this hedge fund called Third Point LLC, owned by Daniel Loeb, which focuses on events like mergers, acquisitions, restructurings, and any situations to unlock value. As of now, the fund performance, if we see, the fund achieved a 25.6% gain, or performing in 2024, or performing the broader market. 2022, it experienced a significant loss of 21.8%. 21 was again good performance, 23.9. 23 was modest with 4%. Okay, fee structure is typical. It reduced actually from 2% to 1.25% per annum. For this fund, and performance fee is 20%, aligning with industry standard. So management fee has been reduced. So we see the fund performance. Some years were not good, like 22 and 23 especially was not good for the firm, but it recovered in 24 again, and 21 was a good uh, performance for the fund. The major deals and investments done by this Third Point hedge fund is using the event-driven strategy is US Steel. In 2025, Third Point disclosed a significant stake in US Steel, expressing confidence its proposed merger with Japan's Nippon Steel. Okay, so that's what they use, mergers, and based on that they do the investments. And Malibu Life Insurance, Third Point Investors Limited announced plans to for a reverse takeover to acquire Malibu Life Reinsurance, and transforming the investment trust to an insurer. Okay, so that's basically a reverse takeover that is done. And yeah, Kenview, they accumulated a position in a consumer health company called Kenview, which is under pressure from activist investors advocating for a divestiture or a full sale. Okay, so he does some activist investing also, other than focusing on event-driven strategies like mergers and takeovers, restructuring, debt restructuring, and so on. But it is famous for event-driven strategy. There is some performance volatility, as we saw. The fund is had some low years also. It faced a significant loss in 2022, highlighting the challenges of market volatility. Okay, And the proposed acquisition of even Malibu Life Reinsurance faced criticism from stakeholders like asset value investors over governance and valuation issues. Basic milestones achieved by this company. Third point is the acquisition of Malibu Life Insurance. It marks a strategic shift, positioning Third Point Investors Limited as a London-listed insurer. And activist successes also. Loeb has been recognized for one of the most successful activist investors, known for his active involvement in the companies he invests in. An event-driven strategy, again, it identifies catalysts like events like mergers, acquisitions, restructurings, and any special events to unlock value. And they include activism also to drive outcomes, and multiple forms of engagement are done. In one of the form of engagement is activism, and yeah, risk management is done. They actively manage the exposures based on assessment of risk reward in varied market conditions. So that is about the Third Point hedge fund and Daniel S. Loeb, who uses this event-driven strategy. And this is one of the strategies used by hedge funds to make money. And it focuses on certain events and basically taking trades based on the future outcome of those events, or predicting the future outcomes of those events. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Bye.